Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know, my name is Melissa, and today we are going to be unboxing the forgot my month, March Premium BoxyCharm box. So, if that is what you want to see, then let's keep on watching. It's funny I'm doing this video now because I still have one February box that I didn't even unbox. I got 4 last month, and I was looking. I'm signed up for this thing where you can see everything that's getting delivered to your house, and there are 2 more BoxyCharms on the way here, and I don't know why, because this is the only one I pay for, and the Boxy Lux. Those are the 2 that I pay for. So I don't know what's going on, and I've been talking to BoxyCharm about it. So, and yes, I wear glasses Monday through Friday or Monday through Sunday. Just when I'm trying to put on my makeup, I do take my glasses off. So I don't have any makeup on right now, but everybody should know that this month is Fenty month. We've been hearing it for like over a month now about the Fenty box. Everything is basically from Fenty. And if you don't know what Fenty Beauty is, it's Rihanna's makeup line. This is our card this month, and it's BoxyCharm by Fenty Beauty, Rihanna. And I might have some of this stuff already. If so, I'm gonna see if my daughter wants it, and if she don't, I might just do a big giveaway with it. But the first thing that I see is the palette, the eyeshadow palette that she came out with last year, I think. Yes, it is so pretty. And there is a mirror, and here are the colors. It is a very pretty palette. I can use every single one of these colors, I believe. I might not do the darker color, like that color right there, much, but I can still use it. Let's see what this palette is worth. This palette is worth, it is called the Moroccan Spice Eyeshadow Palette. $29. I thought I paid more than that for mine, but I don't really remember. Okay, next thing we have is Killawatt highlighter. It's one of the new ones she just came out with. And that is awesome. Let's see. Oh, Trophy Wife. Yep. That was one of the very new ones that came out about Christmas time, I think. Very pretty. Take my glasses off. I keep seeing the glare. I see a glare in the viewfinder. That one is worth $36. I know I don't have that because I don't strictly do yellow highlighters, but not with my skin tone, but I can use it for an eyeshadow. And the next thing is an Invisimatte blotting paper. Oh, it's one roll of Invisimatte blotting paper. I can definitely use those. So this one, okay, that's really cute. I can put that in my purse. That is what it looks like. It's really cute. My daughter might try to steal that. Okay, how much are them blotting? The blotting papers are worth $16. $16. Okay, and this is the Gloss Bomb Universal Lip Luminizer. That was the box. Oh, it's very pretty. I like this. Let's see. Oh, Oh yeah, that is a very pretty color. That would be good on top of any lipstick. I keep forgetting to look at how much it costs. That is, the lip luminizer is $19. And this is Plush matte lipstick. Oh yeah, I have the minis. I have the minis of these. Let me see. Where'd they go? See, I have the little minis. They're so cute. But these are cute too. Well, I don't really like this color. Can't hardly see it. I took my glasses off. Candy Denim is the color. It's a bright pink. It's definitely not my color. I'll be getting rid of this one. Definitely. Can't do that color. Sorry. Okay, this is the very last thing. That lipstick is worth $18. And the very last thing in the box is Matchstick Shimmer Skin Stick. I guess it's like a highlighter. It's in the color Blonde. Oh yeah, just the highlighter, I think. It's just like the yellow highlighter. But I guess this is just for all over your body. That is very, very neat. How much is that? That highlighter stick is $25. Premium box is $143, which is a very good value for only paying $35 plus tax for this one box. There was no variation, so I guess everybody got the same box, I suppose. I can't wait to get my BoxyLuxe because I really love the BoxyLuxe. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that thumbs up button to let me know that you like the video, and leave me a little comment and tell me what is the one thing that you like out of this box. And that is it for today. I will see you in the next one.